And first up this week, we saw Fired Up. It's directed by Will Gluck, and it's a teenage date movie type of film, and it focuses on two high school football players named
Nick and Sean.
And they are playing football, and they overhear the cheerleaders talking about going to their big camp thing, their competition, and they decide that the best place to pick up women would be where you're one of the only guys around. So they quit the football team and go to the cheerleader camp just to get women. And of course, Nick ends up falling in love with the head cheerleader for his squad. And I mean, this really couldn't be more by the numbers type of film. But really, what kind of it really made it funny, the two performances by Eric Christian Olsen and Nick DeGasto.
Even though it's getting hard to believe that Eric Christian Olsen is still in high school, he's 31 years old. But I mean, it really is a by the numbers plot, and I mean, even to the point where it's revealed to the rest of the team why they're really there, and so they leave, and then they have to come back and just in time for the big competition. Mm-hmm. But you know, I had little expectation out of this movie, and I was pleasantly surprised. I mean, it's not a good movie, I don't think, but it is a funny movie, and I enjoyed myself more than I expected to. Quite a bit more actually, and I think a lot of that is credit, especially Eric Christian Olsen. Sean, the guy that plays Sean, Nick DeGasto, is pretty much playing a straight man throughout the whole movie. But
he has a really good comedic timing with the lines that he delivers. What this really reminded me of is a younger kind of teenage version of The Wedding Crashers.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, so it's that sort of thing.
Yeah,
where the womanizers realize that just chasing tail isn't. Mm-hmm. I don't know if that's the truth, but I guess that's the truth as they discover it. So yeah, I mean it's not a great movie, and I don't think I'm gonna remember it much longer than when we get done talking about it here. Yeah. But it was funny, and that I think that was enough in this case. So check it out.
I agree.
We'll be right back.